Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, east-central Cariba County in west-central Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharpsburg, Oregon, 8 miles east of Newnan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peachtree City, Sonoy, Brooks, Sharpsburg, Turin, and Starrs Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.